In the last 6 months period, the bullish sentiment on the rupee is encouraged by the huge portfolio, foreign direct investment, private equity, and other capital inflows poured into the market. The benchmark BSE Sensex registered a gain of over 15% in 2020, and during the interim period from 24th March 2020 till the end of 2020, the BSE Sensex registered a whooping gain of 85%. The rupee posted a depreciation of about 2.80% against the dollar and is the worst performing currency in the Asian region despite the RBI's active and determined intervention in the market, which fueled an increase in forex reserves by USD 123.6 billion in the period. Rupee registered an all-time low of 76.9050 on 22nd April 2020, and as compared with the current level, the domestic currency registered a recovery of 4.69% in the referred period. In 2021, we are anticipating the dollar inflows to slow down, and combined with the certainty of recovery in the domestic economy, the probability of an appreciation in the domestic currency beyond the 73.00 level is very low. The optimism on the global economic recovery is well supported by the success being achieved in vaccination trials and its application. This will raise the possibility of a quick economic recovery in the developed economies and also in the emerging markets. The uncertainties in the global markets are increasing, which would have an adverse impact on the domestic economy and its currency over the medium term. The currency trend witnessed in 2020 may not be an indicator for predicting the future currency trends. From the beginning of March 2021, we forecast the rupee may start to depreciate, and the percentage of such depreciation can be expected to be on a calibrated scale from the base level recorded in the previous calendar year. The unexpected event like coronavirus pandemic opens up the possibility of any sudden and adverse trends in the global markets happening at some point of time, which would affect the local financial markets as well. As this assumption cannot be ignored. India's fiscal deficit is ballooning, and taking an optimistic view of the currency based on the huge forex inflows seen in the past year may prove to be the wrong approach to forecast the currency's trend in 2021. The higher inflation, well beyond the central bank's target of 2 to 6%, and the rising NPA levels in the banking system does not augur well for the rupee over the medium term. From the fundamental perspective, the rupee's depreciation in one financial year is based on the inflation differential between India and our major trading partners. As long as the domestic retail inflation is ruling in the 5 to 6% corridor, the possibility of the rupee's depreciation by about 4 to 5% on an annualized basis over the closing level of 2000 is possible in calendar year 2021. The rupee's anticipated depreciation in 2021, as mentioned above, is after reckoning the higher fiscal deficit, widening of trade gap, higher inflation, intervention stance of RBI and the position of forex reserves. The central bank's intervention policy is one of the significant factors to guide the direction of the rupee. The depreciation in the rupee's nominal exchange rate is quite possible in relation to the increasing overvaluation in the REER. It is imperative for the central bank to maintain a competitive exchange rate to boost export growth in the economy, which has been lagging in 2020 due to COVID-related lower demand in the overseas markets. Political disturbances in the overseas markets is also a vital factor to weigh on the domestic currency. Rise or fall in the US dollar index is also one of the important factors to guide the direction in the domestic currency. We believe the forward dollar premium for the 1 year period almost equalizes the extent of rupee depreciation expected over the corresponding period. A detailed analysis of all the above factors will lead us to conclude that it may be very difficult to accurately forecast the extent of rupee depreciation in 2021. While a depreciation in the domestic currency seems to be almost certain, the extent of the currency's depreciation is based on the varying market scenario in the interim period.